Hi friends, good morning and again welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So here in this video today I am going to show you, I am going to discuss with you that how to fetch the first three records in Oracle and also how to fetch the last three records in Oracle. So subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and just move to here. I just opened this Oracle SQL developer and just I show you my table. So select star from employees. So this is what table I am having here. So it will get fetch the rows or records. So you can see here so many of records are there, and just right click on here and select count rows, and 107 rows are present here. So from this table I want to fetch the first three records. How to fetch these records? Select star from employees, that is table name, where we have to use here where clause, where row num is equal to 3. I mean where row num less or equal to 3. So just press Control Enter. So you will get fetched the first three rows. You can see here 100 ID, employee ID 100, 101 and 102. So this is very easy. We are using here row num. Okay, see here row num. This is pseudo column and these are very helpful to fetch the particular rows from a given table. Okay, so row num, row ID, these are very useful pseudo column records. So here I am selecting all the records. Select star used to select all the records from the table name employees, and I used here where clause, where row num is less than or equal to 3. Okay, so this is going to fetch the first three records from table. So then how you can fetch the last three records? Okay, I want to fetch the last three records from the table. So select star from, within parenthesis again select star from employees order by employee ID DESC where clause. We have to use here where clause, where row num is less than 3, again order by row num DESC. So this is what the query goes like this. Okay, so you can see here select star from, within a parenthesis subquery starts, select star from employees order by employee ID DESC in descending pattern. Okay, so particular this inner query will give you output like it select all the records from the table and it orders by the employee ID descending order pattern, where this output will get compared or you will get for the outer query, where it is outer query select star from this output where row num is less than 3 order by row num DSC in descending pattern. So you just execute this query, so you will get the last two records. Okay, I think just a minute, I have to put here equal sign. Okay, so because without equal, less than or equal, because we want to fetch last three records. Okay, so this is what the thing. Go on practicing the queries. So like if you start practicing more and more by using the logics behind these queries, okay, so then we will be getting perfect in writing queries. So this is what the query goes like this. So first it executes the inner query, and then it start executing the outer query. So inner query, output of inner query is our input for outer queries. Okay, so this is what they think here. So then where clause, we are using here where clause, and row num is less than equal to 3, order by row num in descending pattern. So this is what giving here the last 3 records from the table. Okay, so these are the main things in order to perform the to get the first 3 records and last 3 records. Okay, so this is what the thing here I am going to explain you about these things. So if you like this video, like it and share it, and kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master. So hope in next video I will be coming with the next few more tricky queries, interview queries. So there you can learn more and more things properly. Okay, so have patience and learn the queries perfectly, and learn the logic behind these queries, and then you will be success for giving interviews in a companies. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, see you in next video.